What is up, guys? Welcome to another edition of the Market Marauder Show. Beat the market one trade at a time. If you're new to the Market Marauder Show, it's an investment channel. Helps you to find the best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. Alright, today we're going over some of the Wall Street bet stocks out there. Now, I know there's some high volume plays out there everybody's been looking at. So we're going over stocks like Krispy Kreme, which just recently IPO'd, as well as Clover Health, GameStop, and AMC. So let's jump into the charts and see what's going on. Alright, so the first one on here on the list is going to be ticker sign XELA. They are bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. View up is above moving average 10. They did have a week high of $3.87. Ended the week at $2.98. So overall, still a lot of movement going on in this one. Seems like they are losing steam though. Hopefully they bounce off of this moving average 50 to continue their upward trend. But the first one is ticker sign XELA. Next, we have ticker sign SGOC. They are bullish as well. They had a week high of $18.80. So a nice little upward movement from them. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. VWAP is above moving average 10 as well. So going to be looking to see how this one continues its upward trend. They did have a nice little run after hours too, going to 1151. So hopefully they can retest this 1880 for next week. Next, we have ticker sign GLATF. Now, they are bearish. Moving average 10 is below 50 and 100. We can see that they ended at 222. Overall, though, momentum seems to be slowing down on this one. So I would just be careful looking at GLATF for next week. Next, we have ticker sign EDU. They are bearish as well. They did have a low of 610, which they did bounce up from, going all the way up to 661 in the week. Next level I'll be looking at is 686, see if they can retest that level. Then go into 739 to retest that level. Those two being the moving average 50 and 100. Now this is from the perspective of Webull. If you'd like to sign up for Webull and get 2 free stocks when you deposit $100 or more, I have a link down below in the description where you can do so. Next, we have ticker sign RSLS. Now, they have swing up all the way to 622 for last week, but looks like they are losing a little bit of steam. They did bounce all the way down to 469 in the week, but then bounced off of that level to end at 473. So going to be looking to see how they perform as time goes on, seeing if they can go retest this $5.61 level. That's going to be my next price target for them. But then after that, seeing if they can retest 620. Next, we have ticker sign VERB for VERB Technologies. Now, they have had a nice little run this whole week. Overall bullish on the name. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100, and VWAP is above moving average 10, so bullish on both of those metrics. $2.23 is where they ended. 244 is their weekly high, so overall still bullish on the name for VERB. So going to be looking to see if they can retest that 244 for next week. Next, we have ticker sign MMAT, which is bearish. Moving average 10 is below 50 and 100. They did have a low of $4.72, but they came up and bounced from that level to end the week at $4.87. Next price target I'm going to be looking at them is going to be this 511 level, and then I'm going to be looking at 608. So for next week, going to be looking at 511, $5.11, and then $6.08. Next, we have ticker sign MTSL, which is bullish. They shot all the way up to $6.44 last week. Overall bullish, though, moving average 10 above 50 and 100. We can see right here for the stock in general, they did end at $6.03. So nice little movement from them. VWAP is still significantly high, so that's a good thing as well. Going to be looking to see if they can retest this 644. But next target price that I'm going to be looking at them, it's probably going to be around the 630 range. So I'm going to say 630 is going to be my price target for them, and then 644 for them to retest their high. Next, we have ticker sign KGC. Now, KGC is bearish. Moving average 10 is below 50 and 100. They did hit this level for last week of 661, ending at 633. for the week. Going to be looking to see if they can retest that 661 level for next week. But next, going to be looking to see if they can retest 638, because that seems to be where the moving average 10, moving average 50, and 100 are at. Now, they did have a nice little bounce right here from 616, so a lot of momentum jumping in on this one. But next, going to be this 638 level is going to be a test for them. And then 656 is going to be the next test or next resistance line, and then 661. Lastly on here, we have ticker sign ABBV, which is bearish. Moving average 10 is below the 100, but it is above the 50, so that's a nice little positive movement from them. They did have a low of 326 for this week, so that was kind of their low overall. Going to be looking to see if they can retest this 339 level for next week, and that's going to be my price target, 339. And then after that, going to be looking to see if they can retest this 348 level. So 348 seems to be this peak-to-peak value that they had a few days ago. Going to be seeing if they can retest that after they break through this 338 level. So drop a comment down below. Tell me which stock do you think has the most potential to grow. While you're down there, make sure that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.